unbox my Namajuicer with me.
Finally, the day has come. My Nama juice is in the building, all right, with my little side friends to go with it. I will be unboxing this baby to break down everything that I bought so I can start my healthy, cleansing, juicing fruit diet. And here's all the fruit behind me that I bought today. Over $100 worth of fruit. So we have watermelon, carrots, pineapple, mangoes, ginger, lemon, apples, oranges, cucumbers, and beets. Yes. Let's begin. I normally don't have my makeup on like this, but I'm going out. You know, I'm being taken out soon. So that's the prep. Let's open this big box. This is a huge box. Let's open this one first. How do you even open this? Let's see. You want to help me open it? No, leave it. We're going to open that later. That should start here. Or did they tape it? Ooh, I broke it. That's okay. Here. Gotta keep the kids entertained. Oh, I definitely opened this wrong, but that's okay. So, 3 boxes came out. It's more inside here. Go play with that. Okay. They're all out. Let's open them up. Okay. We got our cleaning brush. 1 box. This is the base of the juicer, the bottom. Juice container. The smoothie strainer. And the actual top of the chamber where you insert the vegetables or fruits. All right. So this was an extra box that I ordered. Let's see what's in this one. I ordered like, I think 3 or 2 extra parts to make my experience nicer. Let's see what's in here. Oh, whoops. So this is to make sorbet. It's a sorbet attacher. If you want to make like sorbet, like it's something like a ice cream material, you know, it's like an ice cream, how do you say, like textured type of thing. It's like frozen smoothie, like sorbet. That's what sorbet is. So that's what this is for. Put that back in here. We're not using that today. let's open this one up. See what this one is. I wish I opened these boxes better. I don't know how to open them better. Nah, look at this girl. Ah. Yes, I like this. And I love the bag. I've been seeing that online. They leave you with like a little baggie. This is nice. So I bought this, and it comes with a nice little spoon, because sometimes when you juice, there's extra pulp. And if you like that, good for you. But I want my juice to have no pulp, right? So that's what this container is for. It strains out all the juice. That's what this is for. And it has a little spoon, you know, get the extra juice out from the fruit or vegetable. So this is really nice. And then you can store the juice in here and put it in the fridge. All right, let's keep going. What else we have? Let's see. Okay. They in Jamaica, Mom? They in Jamaica? And this last extra piece that I bought didn't come with the juicer. You know, you can buy extra attachment pieces on the website. I'll also link a link down below where you can save 50% off. $50 off. $50 off. Alright, what's this one? Let's see. Oh, they're welcoming us. So nice. Thank you. Alright. And what's this one? Let's see. My husband's gonna come home and see all these boxes laying around. Like, what's going on? It's a nice little baggie to put it in when you're done. Oh, the hoppers. So I bought a large hopper because you can insert much more fruits and vegetables at once. Look how big this is. Like, this is huge. Very big. So, those are all the pieces that I bought extra. This with the sorbet is in the box. All right, let's get moving to actually opening up the juicer. Give you like a little package of like how to put everything together. I know that already because I bought juices before. They give you like a nice recipe book, which is nice. I bought some vegetables already, as you see, but this is nice inspiration to have. And this is just like another manual guide. Also, they give you like 15-year warranty, so it's worth the price, you know. I paid over $700 for this, but it's worth the price. All right, let's see. Moment of truth. Wow. So as I said, I bought an extra hopper. So, oh, so nice. Thank you. So it comes with this hopper. I'll open this hopper so you can see how big it is. Or you can order one that's bigger. So this is like comparing the sizes, right? You can see this is bigger than this. But still pretty big, you know, you don't gotta be extra like me. But I was just being extra. Okay? Let's open the base so we can connect the base. heavy. It's a workout already. I know you see I'm hot. Sweating hot. Whew. Hot. Ooh, what a white baser. Nice. So it has your off on reverse button. So now I have to twist this off, twist this on, and twist this on. Take it out your mouth. Oh, having kids. So this is what it's all looking like now. I'm going to clean my vegetables and I'll be back. And I am finished prepping my first juice for the Namajuice. Juice, yes, juice. Gonna bring the machine on over so we can begin the process of inserting these 3 ingredients. So we have watermelon, cucumber, and lemon. So let's begin. All right, we're all ready to go. Let's begin our juice. Oh, suki. Oh, suki. Look at that watermelon go. Okay. Yes. I decided to just do watermelon juice so I can see what it's giving, just watermelon. Now my baby, she's asking me for some. Okay, I'm gonna give you some. Let's see. Delicious. Just watermelon. I didn't even add the other ingredients yet. So good. It's good so far. Okay, so now we did watermelon, lemon with the cucumbers all together. And here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, and still going. That's what the waist is looking like. So let's see what I'm all. See, it's like extra pulp. This is why I bought this as an add-on, because now I'll make sure that it's just juice and no pulp. See, when you juice, it's always going to be a little bit of residue pulp in your juice unless you have a good strainer. So, see, the extra pulp, that's why I bought that for. So the first batch is done. We still have a little bit more, but as you see, it's full. So I'm gonna transfer that over and be back.